A Pulaski axe is the more fanciful name for what is basically a fire axe. However, don't make the mistake of thinking that this axe only has one role. That's not the case, as I'm about to show. Also sometimes referred to as a cutter mattock, you can use this axe for many jobs. Whether it's fighting an actual fire, chopping small wood, or clearing away some branches, it's the ideal solution for many problems surrounding the need to clear away some scrub. If you want to know about the price and other information, check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Council Tool Pulaski Fire Axe. The first Pulaski axe I wanted to add to my list was this Council Tool Pulaski axe, which is regularly viewed as one of the best Pulaski axes on the market. At 36 long, it's more to the upper end regarding length, but I don't see that as a problem. This axe is for real heavy-duty work and comes complete with a steel head and a hickory handle. So it certainly has a more traditional look about it, but also, I love the weight and feel of this axe. It just has this absolute comfort in your hand, and you feel it will not go anywhere and slip as you wield it. This model also comes with an oil-quenched steel head. That means it's highly durable and can cope with a whole lot of punishment without having to be honed on a regular basis. I do like this fact, but as sharpening an axe head is a bit of a tedious task that holds you up, so anything that reduces that need is fine by me. Number 2. Barebones Living Pulaski 1055. If you're looking for a Pulaski axe that's not the standard 36 length, I recommend considering the Barebones Living Pulaski axe for several reasons. It's shorter 21. Length is advantageous in confined spaces, and its carbon steel head distinguishes it from others while maintaining durability. Notably, its adze blade is sharp and well balanced, facilitating smooth motion and better outcomes. Additionally, the inclusion of a steel core along the handle enhances its strength, instilling greater confidence in its utility. Number 3. Nupla PA375LESG. The reason why I have included the Nupla PA375LESG axe is all because of the handle. It has been ergonomically designed, which means it provides you with one of the best grips on the market. I feel that it means this axe is a wonderful option if you know you will be using it in harsher conditions on a regular basis. There's no sense of it slipping out of your hand, thanks to the design of the handle, and that's a huge bonus. The handle is also lightweight as it's made from fiberglass. That does mean the handle is exceptionally strong. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information. If you want to know the product price, please do check my description for any kind of problem, and please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.